Hi everybody, welcome to Tuesday. We've got a busy day today. All right, so let's crack on straight away. We'll start off with our counting, and I know that you're all very, very good at this. So let's give this a go, shall we? Here we are, get your fingers ready. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, well done if you managed to keep up with me then. Now, let me catch my breath. Right, can we have a go at doing our counting tennis? And you're going to start today because yesterday it was my turn and now it's your turn to start. So, you're going to start with 0. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2. Oops, got muddled up then, didn't I? Right, let's try it again, shall we? You start with 0. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. Well done. All right. See, even teachers and grown-ups, we get muddled up sometimes as well. All right. So sometimes it's just best to start all over again. Okay, let's move on, shall we? Here we are. And I want you to have a little think about what is one less or one fewer. Have a look at this numicon shape. What number does this red shape represent? It's the number 5. This is the number 5. Now, can you have a think? What is 1 less than 5? So if you're counting backwards, you're making the number smaller. What will be 1 less, 1 fewer? Here we go. It will be 4. Here we are. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, and it's a number that we started looking at last week. Do you recognise this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the number 7. And 1 less or 1 fewer, do you know what it is? It's the number 6. Okay, one more. And here is the number 6 in the turquoise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's 1 less, 1 fewer than 6? If you said the number 5, you're correct. Well done. Now, here's the shape. Have a quick look at it, and it's gone. What was that shape? I'll show you one more time. Here we go. Okay, what was that shape, and what do you know about it? Can you shout it out for me really loud? 1, 2, 3. If you said a triangle, well done. Let's have a look at it. Here's our triangle. And what do you know about a triangle? It does. It has got 3 sides. There they are, look. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 straight sides on a triangle. Now, on this one, they're all equal, but do they need to be the same length? They don't. What do you know about the corners? They are pointy. And how many of them are there? 3, that's right. 3 corners on a triangle. Now, here's the next shape. Are you ready? Okay, looking carefully before it disappears. Did you see it? Let's try it again. Here we go. There it is. Oh, what was that shape? Shout it out. It is another triangle. This is another triangle, but it looks a bit different, doesn't it? Different to the one we had before. I know it's a different colour. What do we know about a triangle? 3 straight sides. Let's check. 1, 2, 3. Are they all the same length? Not this time, are they? We've got a short one here, and then we've got 2 long ones as well. Right, here's another shape. Do you know what this is? Watch carefully before it disappears. And it's gone. What was that shape? Here it is again, and it's gone. 1, 2, 3, what is it? It is a rectangle. What's the other word that we call it? We call it an oblong, don't we? Because of the long shape. What do you know about a rectangle or an oblong? 4 straight sides, yes? That's right as well. 2 short and 2 long. 1, 2 short sides and 1, 2 long ones. And how many corners? That's right, there are 4. Again, 4 sides and 4 corners. Right, last shape now. See if you can shout out and tell me what it is. It's a square. There it is, it's a square. And all I've done, I've just tilted it a little bit. So instead of standing up straight, it's tilting to the side of it, isn't it? What do you know about a square? It does. 4 straight sides. What's special about those 4 straight sides? They're all the same, aren't they? They are equal. We've got equal lengths on all of those sides. Right, let's have a look here. Want us to have a little think about the scales that we had on the screen last week and the week before. Here they are. Now have a look at them. We've got lots of different things on the scale. Some things are heavy, some things are light, but oh dear, one of them is wrong. Can you spot which one it is? Look closely, all right? And then you can tell me, you can shout or tell your grown-up as well. Have a look. So we've got some bricks here and a teddy bear. Are the bricks heavier than the teddy bear? I think they are, aren't they? So that one's all right. What about this one here? We've got a book and a pen. Do you think that book there is going to be heavier than the pen? I think so too. Now look at this one down here. We've got a mug. In fact, I think it's a mug of tea and a butterfly. Is that right? I think so. Even though the butterfly is really big, I think the mug of tea is still going to be heavier. Have a look at this one. We've got a feather and a bottle of water. Is a feather heavier than a bottle of water? I'm not sure, is it? Let's have a look. Let's see if we're right, though. Yes, it is this one down here. Right. Now, I want you to have a look at this picture. If you've got a grown-up there with you, tell them about the picture. Tell them what you can see, because there's lots and lots of different things on this picture that you can talk about. I'll just pause the video, all right, I'll raise my hand and you can pause the video at home just while you're talking about what you can see in the picture. So I'll see you in a moment. What did you spot? There's lots going on, isn't there, in this park? Okay, so let's have a look. I can see, look, we've got 2 kites flying in the sky. It's a pair of kites. A pair of kites means we've got 2 of them there. What else can you see? We've got, on the pond, can you see 2 ducks, or a pair of ducks? 1, 2. What else can you see? Down here, right at the front, we've got a pair of flowers. We've got 2 flowers, and we've got a pair of bees as well. Look, 1, 2. So it's another pair. Can you see any more pairs on this picture? Look really, really carefully. we've got a pair of children on this slide, haven't we? We've got a pair of trees up here as well. You might be able to see a pair of birds flying in the sky up there. So remember, we've got two of them. And look down here, we've got a pair of grown-ups with a pair of buggies and a pair of babies. So lots of pairs in this picture. And remember, when we talk about the pairs like this, it's not a pear that you can eat. It's a pear that means two, doesn't it? Now, here we are. Look at these yummy cakes. Got some delicious looking cakes here. And we're going to try and make some pears. All right, so these cakes, they're all different, but we can still pair them up and put them with a friend. So look carefully as I move them. Here we go. There we are, look. We've got one pair over there. Let's make another pair. Here we go, look. We've got a pair of cakes here. Here we go. Oh, we've got these two pink ones. They've made a pair as well. How many have we got left? 1, 2, 3. Can we make any more pairs? Yes, we can. There we are. So they've gone into a pair now. Okay. And, oh, what about this one? It's left over, isn't it? What do you think I need to do with it? Can I put it with another group? Would they still be a pair if I put that cake up there? Why wouldn't it be a pair? It wouldn't be a pair because there would be 3 in it and not 2. Oh dear. So some things we can put into pairs, can't we? But sometimes there might be a leftover as well. Right. Oh, I was looking to see if there's anyone to go with. There's no one to go with. All by themselves. Now, here's a job for you to do. If you're at school, then you can do this job with a friend. If you're at home, you might do it with a brother or sister or a grown-up there who's there to help you. And it says, with a friend or grown-up, I want you to have a go at making your own pairs with some objects. They might be in the classroom, or they might be something that you've got in the cupboard at home. All right, so have a look. It might be some toys, all right, or it could be something in the food cupboard, maybe some tins or something like that. Find lots of different amounts and see if you can put them together. And then have a go at telling your friend, all right, do they always have a friend? So find out with the different numbers. So try with 4, 5, 6 and 7 and see which ones have got friends left out, or friends by themselves or friends who are together. Right, I will see you very, very soon for our next lesson. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.